Welcome to the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. So the way I continue, we'll start. I'm telling you, so there's a build up. Drop the video, I'm giving the data. We'll start off with the data. How much people are going missing. There's going to keep giving you more and more explanation as to why people are missing. And this is a global phenomenon, but the Ironman, we say the Ironman we're concerned about. I'm showing you some more numbers today. I'm already giving you the cremations. That's more to do with crime. Illegal cremations, you know, man kill man and want to hide man forever. I'm already giving the sacrifice, you know, the blood sacrifice and the rituals and everything there. Now I'm giving you the trafficking, one form of it. We have to hear how much billions make off child sex trafficking. From this point forward, when you're going to see me say CST, child sex trafficking. When I'm going to that with a Patreon birthday shout out, this one goes out to Chantel, coming from our hubby Rick, aka Mr. Riffic. Yesterday was Chantel's birthday. I celebrated the Earth Strong. Chantel, Rick sent me some message. I like read the message, you know. When I read the message, I know say the quote unquote gender war a unicorn meet, you know. When them telling us say Jamaican man of this and that and Jamaican man of this and that, the Jamaican man will them choose. Because when time I read where some woman send me if a birthday shout out and some reader, some man send me to send to them woman. I don't know what I talk about. The man them where them choose. And the same thing apply with the man to enough time. The woman them where you choose. That's why I want to sound so. So I want to sound like Cersei Bush. Gender war is unicorn meat. Poison the mind. Especially after women against the men. Make you believe said, the man of this and the man of that. No, the man them where you choose. Chantel, Rick love your bad. Like them family story. I big up Chantel on her birthday. Cause I already know for you see. And reach out and say, look at YouTuber. Make sure say, big her up for me, you know. Real woman. Cause when I say Patreon squad man, them no wife up Gen Z Jezebel. That's the problem, you know, for a little Sims out there who no use to woman. So the first one they get to do a little bumper. Even though she tell us she a Gen Z Jezebel. And she don't want to be saved. Like you run past Maybelline. You run past Sharon. Gone down and Kerry. Now your heart broken. Now you walk on and tell the young youth them say yo no good woman no exist and the whole of them gal would wicked. No. Chantel, big up yourself. Rick, you don't know. We talk about CST, you know. CST. Pickney. Sex trafficking. Child sex trafficking. There's a good platform if you want to check out the numbers and the data and all them things like Child X. Give you global statistics for information about one of the most heinous of crimes. Child sex trafficking. Cause we now stop the work, you know. Like you pick them want squeal. When you see much of them a squeal, squeal all you want, pig. Right. The narratives are dead off. Right. No matter how small it be, the culture take time turn back. The culture take time shift. That's why them a squeal. Bozo narratives are get rewritten right before our very eyes. Backed up by sound logic and data. The amount of people are looking at look YouTuber. I wasn't convinced before, but now I am. You see what you mean? Them said the amount of people me see rise up against you. They always warn about entertainers and the influencers and the popular people until we say them are popular. I say no man, a conspiracy theory this, but now I'm convinced because there is no way of all the topics, of all the people, of all the things they can unite to go against. They chose you, little YouTuber. Man, that only make more you will harvest them more. They're going down slowly. Pig them a squeal. Oink, 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 oink. A squeal. Telling us that they're agents and puppets. Some say me a conspiracy theories. I tell them that it's not organic. It's not organic. So the build up continues. The build up on the topic. People are gone missing. How much Pickney gone missing? According to Child X, it's recognized as one of the world's fastest growing criminal enterprises because there are various forms of criminal enterprises take, but this is one of them. It's estimated to be a $150 billion a year global industry. 150 billion. That's B with US side height. That's US dollars. You think an industry this big can exist and nobody in the Iron Man now play a part tonight? Think about it, no man. Which other big criminal global industry exists where Iron Man now have nothing to do with? Whether if it's Diet Coke, Iron Man tonight. Scamming, Iron Man night. So, gun running, Iron Man night. So why would they not? Why would Jamaicans not? Why would there be no Jamaicans involved in this? Why would they, or at least why would nobody from Jamaica get caught up in this? Because the people who might have run it, who might have the top of it, might not be Jamaican, but they must need some Jamaicans span the ground for help them round up some Pickney and move some people around through or so. So why would, let's ask logical questions. Of all the criminal enterprises in the world, why would this one, which is a $150 billion worth of industry, nobody at all in the Iron Man now playing a role in it? What are the chances? What are the chances? Them play a role in the industries where nowhere near as big. Them play a role in a criminal enterprise that are nowhere near as big and them have so much money on the table. They must Iron Man scatter the Pickney board. You don't even know where Pickney come from. You used to Pickney a wander about the place. Anyone was a night, just Pickney walk on the road. Stop light anyway, just about the place. Where your father there? Me don't know. Where your mother there? Me don't know. Where are they so? Me don't know. Just a walk about them about the place. And there's a $150 billion industry where exists. And how much people are much missing and nobody can remember. We are talking about people who get reported missing, you know. The key word only to remember is reported. That means that somebody go report them. That means that the real figure much higher because the people who now nobody like that. Nobody now go report them. An estimated 25 million people worldwide are victims of labor and sexual exploitation. People go one country, take with people, smuggle them out of the country, go on next country, go put them in a like one, Jamaicans call F shop. I don't know, I try to keep it family friendly. Carry them go on F shop in our next country. So that person started off life with a Jamaican, but now them did who you were. Right? With all kind of people that climb on top of them. The country them in them don't know nobody. Right? Them are ready. Right? He's an outsider. They not a birth certificate over there. Right? Lock up in a one house or room somewhere. Somebody that climb on them morning and night. Who do I go call? You think them have access to phone? Them think they happen. Them think happen all over the world. Human trafficking. Negal eye trafficking. It goes on to mention that children account for about 1/3 of the detected victims of trafficking. 1/3. While children may be trafficked for forced labor regionally. So it's not just for the F shop matters, but forced labor. The key word I see them use is detected. But 1/3 of the detected victims of trafficking. That means that them know and acknowledge enough of it don't even get detected. In other words, you don't get find out, you don't get discovered. Them have all kind of craft and all kind of style. You could see people like go through airport with all Pickney and things so them have family and not for them Pickney. You could see people that carry through Pickney and say, oh look, like them adapt those 5 children from around another corner there. Oh, that's so nice and such charity. That is why there was an African country, and it's double check if it's Rwanda. If it's not Rwanda, it's Gambia. One of them country who did come out and say them are going to stop make tourists come adapt them, pick them just so. Because them did find out say one bag of man a pile up in a place but them adapt Pickney to go help Pickney because they love the poor. And when time them check up on the condition of the Pickney, they find out say Pickney they in a F shop. Right. So them left some developed country, go on underdeveloped country, get the Pickney them claim so them a go help the Pickney. When they check back on the Pickney in some F shop. Some African country, I don't remember which one exactly. They say right, well nobody come for no more then. Me then tell you. I'm dirt before they go over this to go work in a F shop. So that show you say no matter how you see something of a good intention, there's always people with a sinister motive to it. Because enough people actually really go other country and adapt Pickney and help the Pickney and all them things there. Of course that's real. But now here comes the pest and the pariahs. Oh, me want up. Give me 50 man. Give me 50 of them. Right. Billy Joe left in country. He have Pickney in a fiend country and can adapt, but he don't want them Pickney there. I said, well, why not adapt? Little Matty from round the road, him just there on the corner. No, sir, more want 50 from Haiti. No, sir, I don't want that no Pickney look like. More want 100 of them from around St. Elizabeth. All I'm saying is ask questions and do follow-ups. That's all I'm saying. I ask questions and the follow-ups. Where Pickney them there? Can we speak to the child? How things are going over there? Where they? Make you go up on a video call, make you see a look. Make you see a look. It's been 2 years now since I get quote unquote adopted. Make you see a look. Up on a, no, not tell me a look. Up on the video. Let me see a look. Go back. Move back from the camera. Lift up your hand. Let me see under your arm. Right. Let me see the back of your neck. Lift up your chin. Look if you see no bruises. Look if you see no chain marks. Wanna say me a conspiracy theorist? Alright. Remember me telling you say the poorest part of the world was sub-Saharan Africa and Southeast Asia? Well, surprise, surprise. Most of the victims are trafficked out of the region of sub-Saharan Africa and East Asia. Why? Because at Deso, the pest them head to. They have a large supply to go pick from. That's where people try to do I'm just here to save the world. Give me 150, let me carry back to my country. Then when they find out, they end up in all kind of bondage. Now Ironman can't compete when it comes down to sheer numbers of Pickney on the global scale. But again, remember we talk about per capita. So even if I just 100 a year, that is an extraordinary amount of Jamaican people or Jamaican children, however we want to divide up, to be a part of this industry. How much would this say unaccounted for? Over 2,000? Let's say, for argument's sake, let's say half of that figure were killed and buried and we'll never find, and the next half get used for CST. That is 1,000 Jamaicans. But then they. Just tell me what are the chances Iron Man don't play a role in this? Human trafficking, legalized trafficking, CST, right, forced labor traffic, whatever it want be. Speaking about forced labor, I know enough of the people them want to see are working at Iron Man from certain foreign countries. I want to see my walk on the place on the claim so I'm so smart on it. I'm gonna say, enough of these people are indentured servants, right? When you know some of the people them would drop an Iron Man and see are working at a certain business space or sleep on a certain site. When never know some people are indentured servant. When never know some of them are likely victims of human trafficking. When never know that. But we not ask them questions there because we know the masses don't care about things like that. When masses care about when next tune drop, that they want to know. When the next tune drop? When is the next tune dropping? You tell about human trafficking, maybe some more that when next tune drop, when certain man come on road, when the next stage show put on. That's the next role of the puppet entertainer. To distract. That is why when time them realize that, yo, you know, see the man I call you a dog, them just group up all of a sudden. Of all the people them who them say for dead, I mean, you don't find that strange? You don't find that strange? Probably not. A $150 billion industry. And nobody in the Iron Man eating the food off it? It's unlikely, to say the least. The low IQ puppets them and their fans often use the "it make money" argument. Whenever you point out something that is highly acidic and destructive, not just to the youths, to the home, to the community or the nation, the number one argument them come back with is, but the youth them make money off of it. It make money, and when the youth them make money now, then go to a boom then go to and then spend but the money down here so. Let's be honest, most of the money made from whether it's entertainment or whatever illegal activities them do, right? Most of that gets spent back power. Hennessy, Champagne, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Bima. The list goes on. Whenever people make money from an illegal trade, and you say, yo, that's right there, so brother, I can't support that, you know, because what not do to them people there? That's not right, but you go on like say no make money. And then when the money make money, dog, cause when you go to boom and put on one party and the money come and buy 50 case. Me I say, and a bill scam I got that bill because money must spend in that place, dog, and then me make the money, dog, and then say to make money. Me I say, dog. Alright. Make money. What me say? When the puppets them, what unquote make the money, what them do the money? The things that truly shake up the world and govern the world, and the institutions and industries that shake and control and run off certain things, them not going to feel it. What them going on, they just become rampant consumers. And then they brag about how you can't wear the clothes that them are wear. The dancehall fan is so silly, right, that he goes to a stage show, he helps to make the artist get rich for the artist to turn on and tell him, say, nah, no money. You're broke. The poor fan help make the artist get richer just so the artist can sing a song saying they nah the money them broke. And a little bit of money you have. You wear cheap clothes. After man just taking last got stage show, just taking last buy one album. Only if you hear the man telling saying broke. And they say, no dog, that's a good motivation. That take all motivation. People are silly. That's like feeding a fat man, right? If him turn on and call you marga. Simple folks. But the whole money argument, it make money so make it stay. When they say, yo brother, emptying out a man bank account. When a man make him money and go work, and you don't know a man make him money, you don't know somebody get up 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning, go work and whatever, and then go take the empty out them account. Them say, yo, but then suck them woman. Another day make money, so I don't know to say. Unless that's somebody famous, because one time you seen boat got chopped, then them say, well, oh, it's wrong. Because you know, in the day, popular to them deal with. So they were pro-scamming until the boat got scammed. But generally, they have a favorable attitude towards scamming, right? And financial fraud. And them tell us, well, they make money, and then when they make money, they spend back over here, so, and then when they get some of the money too, so it's a good thing, leave it alone. So by that argument, let's use some logic now. So right away, you know, say the people them have to go exit left. The people them who such man say a sheep and a shepherd have to go exit left now, because I'm phone time now. Right, we don't know what them things are. Now we could use some logic. Since it make money, so leave it alone, is their argument. Imagine that logic being applied to CST. Well, child sex trafficking makes $150 billion a year globally. The people who participate in this trade, the people who do the trafficking, after they make $150 billion, they use some of the money to buy homes, they use some of the money to buy cars, they use some of the money to buy clothes, they use some of the money for do them hair, use some of the money for buy them girl, right, a new wig, right? They use some of the money for go pay going to the club. They buy champagne, they buy Hennessy, they spend money back in the economy. So, why don't we allow child sex trafficking? Think about the logic. That would be a ridiculous argument, no? But it's the same argument them use to other things that them like. It make money for left it alone by fit them standards. That means Pickney trafficking should be legalized and should be left alone. Where about mash it up for? That's what they will tell you. Where how much money that 150 billion US? Where how much it up for? You make money. And the people who make the money take it and spend back in the economy. That's all that matters, right? Money and economics. Nothing else matters. Right? Who cares that children are being sent from Ireland going war down in a Timbuktu around a Chung Chung province? Right? If you go get put in one F shop at 8 years old, right? For some cretin climb on top of them. Who cares? It make money. Right? So left it alone. That's how stupid you sound. Left man men do this. Left clansman men do this. Left one other men do this. Because they gonna spend money at the dance and everybody happy. That's all these agents of death do. Whatever money they make, I don't know go back and spend it back on foolishness. They ain't building nothing worth talking about. If we're honest. You build one house for themselves and their mother, and build one apartment over there, but they're not building nothing worth that's going to have no profound effect. They're not going to change the game. They're not creators, they're not innovators. After the killing and the bloodshed and the chopping the line and all that, that's it. Clothes, shoes, car, and 15 women who don't even really like them. Until I tell them how much be a girl me have, they don't even care about you, bro. So have your fun while they can, cause it won't last. $2,000 for my clothes, $2,000 for my cologne. Meanwhile, fashion designer guy and his friend in Europe a laugh. Like, yo, check this out, bro. Check this out. We don't even have to pay these dummies to promote our product. You ever notice that? The DJ guy, the celebrity guy, if a Jamaican brand go to them and say, here is my product, push this, them say me I gonna need $10 million from you before me do it. But they will talk about Gucci and Louis Vuitton and McQueen and Chanel and Dior for free. For free. For free. You can't convince me these puppets have a brain in their head. People who don't like them or look like them get billions of dollars in free promotion. The dumb puppet who gets elevated by his masters then turn around and tell the other field goes, you can't even afford to just like me. You hear me talk about Chanel dog, that man tell us a long time, bad mind dog. A bad mind dog. This is all about bad mind. To him show the fit. To him see the drip, bro. The dripping bad. This man said that no sir, bad mind, look you to a bad mind with a dog. By fit them logic, which is if it make money left alone, why not left CST alone? Why not left human traffic alone? It's ridiculous, a ridiculous argument. The Atlantic slave trade made money, you dummy. You think it was free? You think when slaves were on the plantation, you think Bakra wasn't making? Why do you think it's called? I think it's called slave labor. Labor. What labor do? It produce something. It generates something. It generates money. So by your argument, slavery should have been left alone because it made money. Left it alone because it make money. It's a stupid argument. Left it alone because the money make money and they can spend it back. Stupid argument. It's not what you do, it's what you do for them. You can literally chop off 1,000 Pickney head as long as they put on one free dance and give them free liquor and free food, then you're a good youth. Just like the meme. What murder? See that video there? I said, buddy, kill all these people. What murder? You don't. What one of them so? Give me free food and free liquor, and they give me songs for me can jump up and down. Makes me feel good. Don't tell me about no CST. They say, yeah, but bro, you realize he's literally trafficking thousands of children. What does that have to do with me? He not traffic my Pickney. And somebody would actually make the traffic in Pickney too. You can kidnap 1,000 Pickney from Marshpen Road and ship them off to Kung Kung province. As long as they put on one treat. In America, the American version of the treat is the giveaway. They line up baked chicken on one table and here's a chicken for you, here's a chicken for you. This is why I tell you that it has to be by design. This is one time I give you the common design. One time I give you the common design video on what she say, Irie man, whether Trinidad, whether as the black community in Uncle Sam place, it's by design. Because it wasn't always like this. And when you look on the other black countries in certain parts of the world who haven't been infected with the acidic culture, they don't operate like that, even though they're poorer and have less infrastructure and less education. So how could it be? That means it can't be a poverty thing or a black thing, it's a culture thing. And who set the culture? These bozos can't even formulate a single coherent argument, you know. When you challenge them, but they're not used to being challenged. They're used to just being the loudest voice in the room. Just like the argument of left it alone can make money. Say it's alright then, so much left. CST alone? No dog, because people are getting hurt. Oh, so why must let this alone? No man, different. No man, you're bad man. You're bad man. Chasing man, my do at all. Chain on none. She want my drive Mark X. No, you want to start using my drive Mark X. That's why you're fighting scamming. No, I say bonus. Oh, yeah man, a bad man. I treat man about 10 girl in on no. Alright, yeah man. They start going some stupid avenues. Some people miss the Jamaican masses still and tune into and listen and take serious. Me know say, right, man from Kung province will continue to drop in the Iron Man and blow the socks off. Mediocre, underachieving peasants from other countries will drop in Iron Man and continue to blow away the average Jamaican. Because the people, just by who you sit and consume and listen to every day, the message say, you're clearly not thinking people. As long as entertainment by any means from anyone, who not understand that, their arguments and narratives are falling on the PIA sword. Mr. DJ guy, puppet guy, since music is just words and you can't influence nothing, when they say big up this and I really mean it, how about this? Let's go down a road where I don't really know too much. I try my best to start slow so I can figure it out. Let's go down a road. Let's use your logic when it comes on to human trafficking. Shall we? Sing a song bigging up CST people. Sing a song bigging up human traffickers. But take up Pickney. Right. From one country and carry them to the next, go put it in an F shop. Sing a song bigging up child sex traffickers. Do it in a DJ boy. Why you not do it? Sing a song bigging up child molesters. Or you won't do that, would you? You might say, you're mad dog, we don't support them thing there. Or big up them, but we don't support them thing there. They say that as if it's some kind of, they say that with confidence, but they don't realize they're walking into a trap. They're walking into a logical trap. Just like when you trap an animal in a cage, you dangle sitting in there, and the animal walk in there and say you trap them in the argument there. Yes, a DJ boy sing a song, a big up child molesters. His answer will be no. We don't live on them thing there. And this is how you shut the trap door now. Oh, so when you sing a song and endorse badness, and endorse Tesha, and endorse clans and one another, and say they kill the granny, you are endorsing gangs and murder and mass murder of black people, which is really what badness is. Especially in Ireland. You are endorsing self-genocide. You want to go answer back now and say, I want to tell my youth, this is just entertainment. This is just words. Music can't influence nobody. You see what I just did there? Who see the trap there, sir? Wanna see the trap? Test this with any DJ you know. Any DJ where you know. Say to him, yo, sing a song bigging up child molesters. The response will be, hell no, you're mad, when you support them thing there. Then they say, oh, but you big up. Right. The gunman them and you said, endorse badness. Endorse the gang life. And you might then tell us, say, yo, music can't make nobody nothing, dog. See the trap? So if music is just words and it's just entertainment, then you should have no problem bigging up the child sex trafficker. and the child molester. You should have no problem bigging up rape abuse. You see, they know they're agents. And they know how powerful they are, which is why, let me tell you, them big up certain things when they normalize yet. Keyword yet. DJ guy, puppet guy. The very argument that you would use to reject not bigging up and endorsing child molestation should be the very argument you use to not bigging up gangs and badness and say running in the house and kill the whole family and them sitting there. DJ guy, puppet guy, the same argument we use to say why you stop sing Chichi Man and when you stop sing Boom Bye Bye should be the same argument why you don't sing one more bad man song in our life. Because when you say Chichi Man offend people, when you say Boom Bye Bye, you're going to incite violence. So when you say informer for dead, when you say you kill people and drink blood, when you say man for dead, make them know we're not saving the lead, gunshot bust up in an informer head, that is the informer version of Boom Bye Bye. So then you ask the question, who the hell is allowing these puppets to say informer for dead and kill granny and kill this and chop the line, but is not allowing them to say Chichi Man? The fact that you can't see this when they present their arguments, the fact that you cannot see, right, the logical fallacy that is spewing out of the mouth of these so-called entertainers and their supporters is the same reason why, as I said before, you will continue to be a second-class citizen in your own country behind people who in their own country, right, are not even at mediocre level. They're below that. There's a reason why these things happen. I'm not trying to offend nobody. I'm not trying to offend people from other. Well, let's be honest, bro. In your own land, you're not no general. Nobody says you're a genius and you're smart. But in Ireland, all me is you smart, you see on them, smart, you see on them, smart, and you see. You should have smart in your own land, where you come from. Maybe they're calling each other and say, yo, you need to hurry up and come to this country, man. Hurry up and come. The people full, eh? Full bad. All they do is just entertainment. That's the only thing we can't beat them in. Entertainment. Oh, they will kill us with songs and dance moves. No, hurry up and come, man. It's nice, man. Irie, man. No, they don't care about these industries. They just want to be DJ and play sports. Yeah, no, they don't care about these things. They say these things are for nerds. So make us nerds control it. One link. I'm telling you about the machine is one link. All this born Babylon and not deal with them power in a real life. Just like how in a politics, man where you think an enemy in the House of Parliament, power in a real life. In a politics, man where you see on the green side, right? When time Pickney and keep them birthday party, the man on the orange side feel Pickney them dead. And them knock glass and laugh. Oh, go on, boy, when they in the House of Parliament, you do me a thing there, Simon. Yo, me I say the easy still in the dog. Yo, boy, you ramp rough still. Me not lie. My friend, in a real life, that's at the DJ, boy. My friend, yo, when I do the politician, dog, gonna lie them a tell. Them and Daryl Vaz and them and the party in the streets and knock beer glass together. Man, Tom Tavares chill out and par. You think Tom Tavares Vincent you know them and their money? If they were so against them and want them to crumble, they couldn't even pay them to represent them. People are blind. 50 years, when always 50 years late. Almost every national hero in Ireland, the Jamaican people were 50 years late. After them dead and gone and jump on the people them coattail. Them salai me I tell you. Everybody who Ireland claims are national this and national hero and this. When them did about Ireland, people spit on them. The crowd never support them. After them dead, the crowd jump on them coattail. That's all they good for. I know them I tell you say you must have reverence to them man. Yeah. When they never have none for people in them alive. So when you see the crowd gather, look who them gather in support of and who they in support against. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, see you circling. Bless.